again, gold jumps on safe haven demand. Gold is, like we said, gold is looking for a catalyst. It looks like it found one, at least for a couple of days there, right? Gold right now up $84 in US dollars at 33.74. Still bouncing in that range though, but that catalyst, it seemed to find it like in Canadian dollars, 46.28 for gold. And crazy. There's the catalyst for gold in the stock market. I got kind of all jumbled up there, but the markets themselves are kind of, again, just kind of flat. Not much going on in the markets anyway, so kind of flat. Although the Nasdaq is up, and then most everything is green other than the industrials in the Dow right now. Bitcoin now looking for a catalyst. How's that? Bitcoin is still chunking around. They're holding that $100,000 mark though. Bitcoin. 104,000 there. So there you go. The Canadian dollar, I think it's up a penny there. Look at that. Again, it's more US dollar weakness than anything. But again, talk of pipelines, talk of deals, talk. Need to sign some deals. Talk. At some point, like they said in the old Wendy's commercial, where's the beef? Where's the beef? And then this is a clip we're going to play from Hudson Bay. Sad reality in the markets like Hudson Bay, Canada's oldest retail, actually older than Canada, way older than Canada. And here's a little clip. You can take the music off, don't play the music. Just let the silence speak for itself on the Hudson Bay. And then there we got Ruby Lee here sporting all the Hudson Bay gear there from the Olympics, Lululemon and Hudson Bay there. And she said she wants to redesign the Bold Bay stores, and she's taken over 28 of the leases held by Hudson Bay and sister Saks Company in Alberta, BC, and Ontario, and transform them into a new modern department store. There you go.
Again, talk, isn't it? Let's see what it looks like. But fingers crossed that it continues the brand.
Yeah, imagine it'll have a good connection to a lot of Chinese goods that come from overseas. There you go. Mm-hmm. West Texas Intermediate. We added oil into our market talk here. West Texas Intermediate crude up a little bit here. And it sounds like the OPEC is going to increase flow by like 440,000 barrels a day. So there you go. But oil trending downward. Like if you look at the overall trend, that's a year chart there. And then Western Canadian Select, a lot lower. And then we have that next chart there, but still trending down. And you can see where the premium is for, like Western Canadian Select here near the middle of this here at 48.44. Cheap. Canada sells its oil at a huge discount to almost everywhere else. Okay?
It is the cheapest, isn't it? There's no rival.
No. Cheaper.
Terrible.
Cheaper.
Even Indian basket, that's not even their oil, is it? That's Russian oil that they fiddle with to try and get around the sanctions. I mean, for God's sake. And then Mexican oil, that's heavy as well, isn't it? Usually, that's like sour crude, I believe, in Mexico. So again, it's like it's not to do with the quality of the oil, is it? It's to do with options for export.
Yeah, you want to sell it? You got somebody to sell it to? You got any other options? Oh no, just us. There you go. Here's your price. Take it.
Yeah.
Or leave it.
Take what's in my wallet there on the bedside. It's like so disrespectful, isn't it?
And you can look to the government of the last 10 years when they killed those two pipelines and they had no alternative markets, even though the Germans, the South Koreans, and the Japanese were there begging for it. There was, according to our friend, not only the king of the socks, now the shoes, Justin Trudeau, said there's no business case. But maybe he's joining up with Ruby Lee, and he's going to sell his socks and shoes combos, and maybe he's going to be a designer for Ruby Lee's new Hudson Bays. What do you think?
Or a mannequin, maybe.
Mannequin. There you go. Make himself useful.